Our project was to create an adaptive mouse that could be comfortably used by someone who has limited hand dexterity. They don't have to sacrifice their comfort for their work. This project has good health applications. Existing mouses require the user to grip the mouse while having small buttons that need fine hand control. This project can be utilized by amputees or people who have carpal tunnel. This project utilizes sonar sensors to detect the location of the hand, passing this into the Arduino and controlling the computer with this. This project has a capability to move the mouse up, down, left, and right, as well as click. We can scroll up and down with the joystick, so the user doesn't need to use two-finger scrolling or the wheel to strain their wrist. With the additional use of a button, we can drag and also right-click, giving the user the opportunity to do almost anything a mouse can do. The primary click switch is a large button so that it does not require precise movements. The parts of this setup can be moved around to fit the user's various health conditions. The most challenging part of this project was trying to fit all the functionality of a mouse into a clean, simple-to-use project. Another challenge was the lag the mouse was experiencing, so we rewrote the code and reduced hardware to improve the speed. We were proud to brainstorm, design, and construct this working product that has large health applications in 24 hours. Here you can see my friend actually use the mouse. The product is responsive enough so that he can dodge incoming enemies.